Today I'm going to take you into a delicious adventure in the West Village. We are going to invade together Sweet Corner's Bakeshop kitchen to show you how they do the 2-pound tart Nutella chocolates. It's amazing. You've probably seen it on social. It's gone viral and we're going to see how they do it. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. I know that there's a very curious story about how you started everything in your apartment, and then the owner got a little bit like, what are you doing inside? Yes, yes. Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, this started back in 2004 when I came to America. A little bit of luck, I won on a lottery for the green card.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
oh my God.
Very lucky. Then I thought, when you get in America, you need to do what you need to do.
Of course.
You know, to grow little by little. You look to your past and say, oh my God, did I do everything? All that? And it's amazing. But I started in a restaurant. I don't have a restaurant background in Brazil. I used to work with computers.
Oh wow, completely different.
Totally different. And I love it.
I know that this is your famous 2-pound Nutella chocolates.
That one went crazy. But when we got the first one, I right away got the heart and we posted.
People went crazy.
Next day we got 300 emails.
Oh my
from
God.
Dubai, Germany, France, Brazil, South Africa, and TV calling and the shows, and everybody went crazy. I went to go viral right now, and the internet's so fast right now, and it was very stressful. Very stressful.
The moment I've anxiously been waiting for to crack my heart. Yay! Ah! I got it all over my face. I think I actually had the best time of my life. I think I've always wanted to do this before. Mess myself in Nutella. And I did it. The heart is cracked, but it's Nutella, and I don't care. Rodolfo, thank you so much.
Thank you.
I had a great time. I'm gonna be back. And guys, follow our channel, like, subscribe, share. Okay, it's Nutella, I'm fine. I hope you enjoyed and had a great time exploring New York with me. Subscribe to our channel, like our video below, and send us suggestions of what you'd like to see next to continue exploring New York with me. See you in my next episode.